Ever delivered a portrait with a distracting background and wished you could fix it in minutes, not hours, and definitely not manually? With Aftershoot's background replacement, you can. AI detects your subject with precision, removes the background, and lets you replace it across an entire album in just a few clicks. You can replace the background by going to the Background tab on the retouching panel. Aftershoot uses AI to automatically detect the primary subject in your portrait. Swap the background using a range of available backdrops provided by Aftershoot. Solid color, great for headshots or commercial projects. Specific landscapes and settings add beautiful backdrops relevant to your shoot theme. Or use your own custom PNG image. Upload any background image and Aftershoot will place your subject in front of it. You can control what part of the background you'd want to use by zooming or panning, and you can further customize by adjusting the opacity and the fill controls to match your preferences. Or you can opt for a transparent background as well. Background replacement is ideal for portraits as the subject is clearly separated from the background and handles complex edges like hair and loose fabric quite neatly. Once you've identified what works best for your shoot, select all the images in your album and click Sync Photos. Aftershoot will run the background replacement across every selected image. This is a huge time saver for client albums that need consistent backgrounds, headshots, school photos, event portraits, and our flat fee structure allows you to retouch as many images as needed to maintain consistency, and you don't need to watch the meter worrying about paying per image. When you're ready, export the images with the new background baked in. Your subjects are clean, consistent, and ready for the client. Click Export, choose the destination folder and your preferred format, JPEG for delivery, TIFF for archiving or further editing, and then let Aftershoot process everything. Background replacement in Aftershoot is one of those features that genuinely saves hours per shoot. Try it on your next portrait album and let us know what you think.